Okay, so in this video, I am going to remove the tints which are too dark, and I don't want no issues with the local police department. I drove in kind of like town today, went through a construction site, and the cops were standing there directing traffic, and he gave me a look like, who is this guy? And I live on a busy street, so they're going to know this car, and let's get off on the right foot without setting myself up for possible violation, because New York State, 30% on the side windows, 30%, back window has no limit how dark, as long as you have dual mirrors on each side. So we're gonna remove the tint. Maybe later on I'll put 30%, at least back here, just for the look, but I kind of like to see out my windows, especially at night. So we're going to remove at least these two. These windows are caged up, both sides, so it's going to be a little difficult to remove these tints. Probably won't get at it today, but see, now we have the local PD coming by, and he kind of slowed down. Okay. He'll probably back up and maybe I'll get to meet him, and hopefully I don't get billy clubbed. All right, so let's get to work removing the tint. I got my heat gun. We're gonna heat it up. We're gonna razor blade it, and then we're gonna peel it off and then clean it with window cleaner. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get started. Easier. So I got my heat gun. I'm ready to put some heat into this tint, loosen it up, then I'll razor blade the edge, start it, hopefully get a good piece to grab and pull it loose. A little bit more difficult with a frame around the window, but let's get going. Let's put some heat into this, work it around. I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna grab it from here, or if I could get the edge out here. We'll see how it goes. See how easy it comes off. Wonder if this is the original tint, or did the previous owner put this tint. Be careful with the heat gun. Don't melt any moldings, plastic trimmings. Be very careful. It's easy to get your hand in there while you're trying to work, so don't burn yourself. So let's concentrate on this area here. I got about 20, well, maybe an hour before a line of thunderstorms come. So maybe I'll just get one window done. But one is better than none. So I'm gonna attempt to get the blade and see where we're at. Okay, get a little bit more. You gotta watch my hands. Slow and steady. Whew. Okay, yep. That's what I call a heat gun. It's hot. Okay, I'm gonna try to grab a piece of that. Okay, that. Well, I kind of rushed that. So Nice and slow. Go nice and slow. Less cleanup and quicker job. It's nice to see clear glass. Maybe I should raise the window a little bit. So now it's coming out a lot easier. Getting started seems like it's the hardest part. Like Tom Petty says, the waiting is the hardest part. I think getting started on the window tint is the hardest part. Excuse my poor attempt at humor. Let's go careful here. Make sure we do a good job. Get it from the back. Get it all the way down the bottom. Okay, I probably could have done a better job with that. Let's see if we can get it. Oh no, okay. Not too bad. Not too bad. Could be worse. It's my first time removing window tint. So if I could do it, you could do it. So that's basically, didn't leave too much glue residue, which is probably because of age. This is probably very old. And so far, so good. Nice and clear. So far, so good. A little bit of cleanup here. I probably got a little bit I could pick out down there. I could raise it, actually. Ha! Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. So I don't want to get the heat down because there's the plastic or rubber seal there. I don't want to distort it, damage it. It's an old car, so things are going to be brittle, soft, and it's easy to break things by manhandling it too much or woman handling it. Nice, that popped off nice. So I'll pull it back instead of trying to rip it this way. That seems to be the most effective. Pull it away from the glass. Pull it back, pull it back, pull it back. Probably whoever did this tint job removed the door panel. I don't know how tint is done, but it was kind of like a 1/4 inch inside the seal. Wow, okay. That's good. That's a good omen that worked out so easy. So I'll just razor blade this. I'll hit it with a little Windex to loosen it up and razor blade it and give it a clean up. And that's it. That's me removing window tint off my Crown Vic, off any car for that matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.